NABARD exam is hardly 35 days away. This is the time to check if you are preparing in the right direction for the NABARD. So in this video we are going to give you just one test to check your success probability in NABARD. Video is going to be short and जो एक टेस्ट होगा it won't take you more than 5 to 10 seconds to analyze your prep. And there is no need to watch this video till the end. I'm going to reveal the test in first minute itself. The rest of the video is going to about how you can maximize your probability further. So let's start. पहले थोड़ा सा background. Here I am going to introduce you to the concept time value of study. Please keep this graph in mind. We are again going to use the same graph in the next slide. So सबसे पहले what is time value of study? As per the principle of time value of study, in simple term you can say the thing that you are studying in last 15 days is not same as the thing that you have studied a month before. जो आप लास्ट के 15 डेज में पढ़ रहे हैं वो काफ़ी क्रूशियल होता है कंपेयर टू समथिंग that you have studied a month or two before. So as you can see, memory declines exponentially. जो आपको अभी मान लीजिए 100 items की अगर आपने कोई list memorize की है, so it decreases exponentially with time. Second, this is something which is common with everyone. No matter if he is a genius or if he is consistently scoring in 99.99 percentiles, this is something which is common with everyone. It arises due to limitations of human brain. So the solution lies in leveraging this rather than denying it. No matter who you are, ये होगा ही. So we have enough members in our team who scored 99.9 percentiles in most of the exams. JEE, CAT, GATE, CFA, FRM, everything. So now the thing is, what is the test? As I mentioned earlier, I promised you I'll reveal it in the first minute itself. So this is the test. Can you revise the complete NABARD syllabus twice in last 15 days? If the answer is yes, then no one can stop you from getting successful in NABARD exam. If no, there is no need to worry. You just have to optimize your prep. You still have 35 days left. From now, take every day seriously and try to optimize your prep so that you can revise the entire NABARD syllabus twice in last 15 days. So what is the rationale or logic behind this? First of all, exponential decay जो already आपको explain कर चुके हैं. Empirical evidences, so we have leveraged this thing ourselves and काफ़ी जो learners हैं उनको leverage करते हुए भी देखा है. Be it UPSC prelims, RBI grade B. If you can revise your syllabus twice in last 15 days, that means you are going to be successful. Then क्यों? First of all, because of exponential memory decay. Second, this shows that you have planned your study smartly, and smart study always better than hard studying. Okay, now what to do? So this is okay ACADS, you are just giving us problems, you are not telling us how to solve them. So in the next slide we will tell you how you can solve this problem. So number one, as I mentioned earlier, वो फिर से repeat होगा graph, and this is the graph. Please make a smart revision schedule. You have 35 days. Make the schedule in such a manner you can have around 3 to 4 revisions in periodic manner, like 1 day, 1 week and 1 month. If you can do that, your probability increases exponentially. Number 2, leverage 20-80 rules. ये आप लोगों को काफ़ी बार बताया जा चुका है. We have tried mentioning it again and again so that please you understand the importance of this principle and please leverage it. So in ACADS course we have specifically done this. We focus more on high yield topics. So same thing you can done with your prep also. In NABARD course, try to focus more on high yield areas. Number 3, plan it backwards. So what do you mean by plan it backwards? So plan it backwards mean you plan it backwards. So suppose your exam is on September 18. Minus 15 days is equal to September 3. So this shows कि आपका जो लास्ट का 15 days का रिविजन है वो September 3 को स्टार्ट होने वाला है. And as I mentioned earlier, you need to revise it twice. So here twice you have 15 days to revise ESI, ARD, both static and CA plus GA. Rest of the portions you can ignore as of now. Computer नहीं आएगा and all these things are the merit based areas only. So 2 days के लिए the ideal time break is you can break it in something like 9 plus 16, keeping in mind the exponential nature of memory decay. So 9 plus 6 यहाँ पर आपका decide हो जाता है. Second thing is you need to be prepared so that आप second revision जो है, second revision you can finish it in 9 days. And for this preparation you have 20 days. So ultimately क्या हुआ आपका? revision 1 is 20 days, revision 2 9 days, and revision 3 6 days. So if you can do these 3 revisions, it will get consolidated in your mind. Second, 20 days से आपका जो कंटेंट है दिस इज गोइंग टू बी ऑप्टिमाइज. सो प्लीज फोकस ओनली कि आप 20 डेज में क्या कर सकते हैं. 20 डेज में यू कैन स्टडी एट मैक्स अराउंड 20 into around 500 to 600 pages. So this is the maximum that your brain can study in this number of days, and irrespective of how genius you are, you cannot study more than this, especially in case of the NABARD where content is very fact intensive. So please try to find resources of 500 to 600 pages only, or refer to your notes. Okay, now how we can help you. So this is the details about NABARD ACADS program. As we have mentioned earlier, our team consists of IIT JEE under AI 30, CAT 99.9, IIT Mains AI 33, CAT 99.5, 99.7, 99.9, UPSC, CSE, everything 99.5 plus percentile. So again, in our course, the whole subject matter is going to be around 40 to 100 pages only, जिससे जो आपका content है you can easily study in 12 days plus 9 days plus 6 days. Second, expert faculty. So whatever we are telling you, study techniques, this is something which is coming out of our experience. We have utilized it, we have leveraged it, and we were successful in doing that. Number 3, our course is fully updated. It's not like that कि पहले objective था and then we are just writing the descriptive part. तो जो भी descriptive है, it is in sync with the objective, so that you do not have to study same thing again and again and redundant ना हो चीज़ें. Everything has been optimized and it is integrated. Objective descriptive integration is there. Third, high yield focused. As I mentioned earlier, NABARD is a very fact intensive exam. You cannot study everything. So इसलिए आपको high yield पे focus करना ही होता है. There is no other way out. Number 6 is descriptive test series. So as we saw in RBI, descriptive की वजह से UPSC candidates को काफ़ी benefit मिला है. So in order to put you on par with these candidates, we have provided descriptive test series जिसमें 4+3 tests होंगे, so that you can easily score good marks in NABARD exam. If you are interested, please go to our site acads.com/NABARD and subscribe to our NABARD course.